Meditation forgiving others. You forgive not because the other person deserves forgiveness, but because you deserve peace. Put your phone on airplane mode and use headphones to help you meditate with the best efficiency and quality. Meditation. Guided meditation. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Relax your forehead, relax your eyelids, relax your cheekbones, and relax your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your arms. Relax your elbows, hands, and fingers. Gently straighten your spine so that your internal organs can relax without being compressed. Relax your hips, relax your thighs, relax your knees, relax your calves, feet, and toes. Your body is completely relaxed. Take a deep breath. Feel the air entering your body, and then slowly exhale. Continue to breathe deeply, then exhale slowly. With each exhalation, allow yourself to relax more and more. Entering meditation. Now remember a moment or a period when someone hurt you, perhaps feeling misunderstood, rejected, or betrayed. When you felt disrespected or disappointed by someone, this could be an event you consciously remember or any incident that naturally arises in your mind right now. What happened then? Feel that hurt in your body. Just feel it. No judgment, no analysis. Observe your breath as you think about what that person did. Observe your heartbeat. Observe your body. Is there any tension, trembling, or pain? Just feel it. No judgment, no analysis. And if any emotions arise, any emotions at all, let them out. Don't suppress them. Now, visualize that person standing in front of you, their face, their shape, their attitude, and how you feel. If you feel angry, be angry. If you feel hurt, feel that hurt. Cry or scream if you need to. Feel it in your body. Let those emotions out. Express how angry you are with that person, how you have been hurt and suffered. Actually, what do you need from that person? Say what you want them to do to make you feel better. Now, look into their eyes. Feel why they treated you that way. Feel it. You might see that they also have their own pain or fears. And does it reflect the pain and fears within you? That's right. In every relationship, we reflect each other, resonate with each other. If you look at the situation wisely, you will see that both sides are suffering and hurting each other. If possible, say forgiveness. Forgiveness does not mean that the person deserves it, but it is for your own peace. But if you cannot forgive yet, that's okay. Be patient and continue in your future meditations. Embrace and comfort yourself, comforting your heartaches and pains. Take a deep breath. Visualize light from above pouring down on your body, enveloping you, penetrating through your skin. You dissolve a part of yourself into that light. All tension melts away. Painful feelings are released from your body, vanishing into the space. Continue to breathe deeply. With each exhale, visualize your body relaxing and becoming lighter. And when you are ready, slowly, gently, Come out of the meditative state.